There are several effective ways to make money on TikTok in 2024. Here are some of the most popular methods. TikTok Creator Fund. By joining the TikTok Creator Fund, you can earn money based on the number of views your videos receive. To be eligible, you need to have at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 video views in the last 30 days, and be at least 18 years old. TikTok Creativity Program. This program is an extension of the Creator Fund and provides additional monetization opportunities for those who consistently produce high-quality content. Shopify. Sponsored content. Brands pay you to promote their products or services in your videos. The amount you can charge depends on your follower count and engagement rate. Using TikTok's Creator Marketplace can help you connect with potential sponsors. 33rd Square. Selling merchandise. You can create and sell your own branded merchandise directly through TikTok. This can include items like t-shirts, mugs, and more. TikTok Shop allows you to integrate e-commerce functionality, making it easy for your followers to purchase items without leaving the app. Shopify. 33rd Square. Affiliate marketing. By promoting products through unique affiliate links, you can earn a commission on each sale made through your link. TikTok has an affiliate program that simplifies this process by connecting creators with brands. The Leap. Live gifting. During live streams, followers can send virtual gifts, which can be converted into cash. To go live, you need at least 1,000 followers, and to earn gift points, you must be 18 or older. Shopify. Founder. Offering services and consultancy. If you have expertise in a specific area, you can offer consulting services to your followers. For example, if you're a fitness expert, you can provide personalized workout plans. 33rd Square. The Leap. Crowdfunding. Use platforms like Kickstarter or GoFundMe to raise money for projects. This is particularly effective if your project aligns well with your content theme on TikTok. Founder. 33rd Square. Creating and selling digital products. This includes ebooks, online courses, or any other digital product that can be sold repeatedly without additional production costs. This can be a great source of passive income. The Leap. Premium content subscriptions. Platforms like Patreon or OnlyFans allow you to charge your followers a monthly fee for access to exclusive content. 33rd Square. Brand ambassadorships. Partnering with a brand as an ambassador can provide a steady income. This usually involves promoting the brand consistently over a longer period. 33rd Square. By leveraging these strategies, you can effectively monetize your TikTok presence and turn your passion into a profitable venture.